Okay, so looks like my renter is out. She did leave a mess. It's not as bad as it could be, but it's not too bad. Got the stove, refrigerator's a mess. Yeah, the refrigerator is that's gonna stink bad after a while. Right now the refrigerator's still on, but once the power's off, that's gonna stink. I need to get that cleaned up quick. So, you got all this. I get the feeling that she didn't clean the refrigerator too often. Of course, like I said, she had 8 people living here. So, that's a mess. But you know what I'm happy about is that it looks like there's really no damage here, really. Here's some bread. Look, I can make sandwiches. All right, you know, some stuff. It's really not that bad. I don't really see any damage. It's a mess, but I thought it would be. They had 6 kids living in here. So actually, washer and dryer looks good. The bathroom looks good. I don't really see any damage. So actually, I'm pretty happy. I really don't have a problem with her. I don't have a problem with her leaving it like this. I really don't. I told her she didn't have to clean. I told her, look, just go. Look at the dust on there. She never ever cleaned the fan. Pretty dusty. You gotta clean those fans, folks. Though they get dust buildup. Closet looks fine. No, bathroom looks fine. Now this that I noticed, this is wobbly, but that's not her fault. That's not her fault. This is wobbly. So, some scrapes on the walls where who knows what kind of piece of furniture she had against the wall here. That's fine, I can take care of that. You know, I just don't want any broken windows, any giant holes in the walls. I think it looks pretty good. There's some cleaning to do, but you know, that's the least of my problems. Not too bad. Actually, the refrigerator looks the worst. What's it look like under here? Refrigerator looks the worst, but oh, and the back patio. Back patios. This is a lot of junk to clean up, and it's all just stuff that nobody's ever gonna want. But they're out, and I'm happy. Oh, this table. I think she wants that table. But tomorrow morning I'm changing the locks. I guess she could come tonight and pick up any other stuff that she wants. But tomorrow morning, first thing, I'm going to come change the locks, and she's out. All right, take care.